The most beautiful thing about Islam is that if a person decides to submit oneself wholeheartedly towards it, Allah forgives all his past sins, regardless of how grave they might be. This video will walk you through the fascinating conversion journey of an American woman named Jamie, who before becoming a Muslim in 2012 was a drug addict and Playboy model. To begin with, Jamie was raised as a non-denominational Christian. She had a rough teenage, mainly because when she was 17, her father kicked her out of the house. Thereafter, she was homeless for a week, which she spent under a freeway pass. All she had was whatever she could fit in her backpack and a bass guitar. With no one to guide her, she got caught up in the evils of society, starting drugs and enrolling for the Playboy magazine. Jamie worked for the Playboy magazine for 5 years. During this time, she got married to an Iranian Christian man and became a drug addict. At first, she would convince herself that she was just taking the drugs for weight loss and that she would be able to control the urges. However, soon the urge to take more and more drugs overcame her, and she lost control of her drug intake. She reached the absolute rock bottom of her life. Her husband, taking drugs with her, didn't make things any easier. He was also mentally and emotionally abusing her. According to Jamie, her husband wanted to control her, and he was doing so by slowly poisoning her through drugs. Being afraid of her life, Jamie decided to quit drugs. Her husband laughed at her and said that she won't quit. However, Jamie's decision was firm. She quit drugs and promised herself to never look back. Up until that point, although Jamie was a Christian, religion didn't play a significant part in her life. It's true that Jamie was in quest of answers for everything around her, but whenever she had tried to develop some sort of connection to God, she just couldn't feel anything. Moving on, soon after she quit using drugs, Jamie had a son. The birth of a child completely changed the focus of her life. She wanted to be a better mother for her son, so she left her violent husband to undertake a journey to learn about Islam. She wanted to know what was truly going on in the world, why everyone hated Muslims so much, and the truth about Islam. So she researched Islam in depth. She was greatly impressed by the respect that Islam gives women. In an interview with her after her conversion to Islam, she said that Islam appreciates the difficult tasks that women have to carry out in their lives, like bearing a child, cooking and cleaning, and gives them the appropriate respect. She said that Islam understands how powerful and distracting a woman's outlook can be to men, so it keeps them separated in a mosque. So being completely engrossed by the teachings of Islam, Jamie decided to accept Islam at the age of 31. After she uttered Shahada, Jamie spoke of how giving up her former life in Hollywood, when she was basically at the point where anyone would have wanted to be, felt completely okay. She no longer felt the desire to drink or do all those things that she used to do. Furthermore, the unstable and purposeless feeling that she had before becoming a Muslim was gone. She felt peaceful, secure, and finally everything made sense to her. She finally had a goal in life that she had longed for. Jamie also remarked that before, she was so influenced by the negative image of Muslims portrayed on the media that she never in a million years would have thought that she would end up becoming a Muslim. Anyway, she was glad she got to see the truth. Soon after her conversion, she began visiting the mosque to get acquainted with her Muslim sisters who were really kind to her. Jamie is a true embodiment of a modern-day Muslim woman. As apart from following the Islamic dressing code and wearing a hijab, she engages in sports that she loves, such as skateboarding and wakeboarding. She believes that being a Muslim doesn't mean that one stops doing the things that they enjoy. She says that while men used to give her inappropriate looks when she wore revealing clothes before her conversion, she feels more respected and confident now that she wears a hijab. Moving on, it's worth mentioning that Jamie had settled her differences with her father when she got pregnant. She wanted her child to have a grandfather. She thought long and hard before telling her father of her conversion to Islam. As expected, he wasn't too pleased with the decision. He too thought of Muslims as extremists due to what he saw on the media. He told Jamie that if she would leave Islam now, Muslims would threaten her. Jamie, however, kept telling him that is not the truth about Muslims and that Islam indeed is a religion of peace. She believes that if she keeps doing good and positive things, her father may one day see Islam for what it really is. Talking about her son Jaden, Jamie says that he turned out to be Allah's gift. She says that he truly enjoys going to the mosque and gets excited when it's time to pray. Coming back to Jamie, she defines her journey to Islam in the following words. I kind of feel like a butterfly, like I was once wrapped in a cocoon. And I was wrapped in a cocoon of sins of everything that was making my life toxic and wrong. And now I finally come out of it and I've become a butterfly. She says that as long as she lives, she aims to spread the truth of Islam to whoever she can. The truth that transformed her life in the finest possible way.